Morning everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm out here this morning just having a look at some oilseed rape and some wheat next door. We're just probably a week away from harvest. I'm out here first thing in the morning. I'm going to do a drone flight. I'm really interested to see how ready my oilseed rape crop is next door. This field has KWS Montana on a escalating protein contract, so it would be one of our next crops to go as well. Just driving in, I've noticed it's gone a little bit flat. We've had 6 mil of rain overnight in a big thunderstorm. It was mid-30s yesterday, huge temperatures out of nowhere, big thunderstorm. It's obviously hit the crops hard. So I'm just going to have a quick flight. In warning, there's nothing like a drone flight to show you how bad your crops are. But let's have a look. This week we've also, in preparation for combining, calibrated all of our grain trailers, so I'm going to include a little bit of footage of how we do that. All supported by one lonely tractor. This is combine safety here. Show us your feet, James. Show us your feet. Look at that, he's combining in his socks.
More of a health hazard than the smell of it.
What do you think of today, James? Your first day out on the CR for 2019?
It's gone pretty well, touch wood. I think it's probably surprised us how much volume and straw there is to the rape this year, so stubborn's probably been higher than we would want it, but yeah, so far it's all gone relatively smoothly, really.
I told you about the damage. This is what it looks like from the combine. Absolutely nothing. I also wanted to draw your attention to this white patch in the background, which is rabbit damage along the railway fence.